Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I am Gillian, and today I'm coming to you with another what I eat in a day. This what I eat in a day is going to be vegan, slim and world friendly, and lockdown style. Basically just eating what I have in my freezer and fridge, etc. I do actually need to nip to the shops today, but I've been putting it off. I am now out of self-isolation. I think it's been nearly a week, so trying to get back to normal. I'm back at work now. Being stuck in the house was driving me mad, and I know everybody else is in the same boat, so I have got a work from home day today and yesterday, so I'm still staying at home quite a lot compared to what I would have been, but I have been out on support. I'm a care worker if anybody was interested. And then Ryan's off today, he's a prison officer, so he's back at work as well. My head's been all over the place. I've not felt like filming much, but I feel good today. There's been a lot of drama with my medication and the doctors. I am being told I'm not allowed my B12 injections, even though they are classed as an essential drug. Big story. I might do a whole video on it, but basically I am going to be self-injecting from now on. But that's a whole other journey, and we're not going to talk about it in this video. Now today, like I said, working from home, I need to run to the shops for a couple of bits, and then I need to go to Pets at Home for the rabbits' food. I am also taking my mum and dad's dog Poppy a little walk. I need to take her a walk because my dad is classed as extremely vulnerable. His immune system is suppressed, so I don't want him going out any more than he has been, and he was really sore today, so I said I would take Poppy a walk. But I am taking the extra precautions. I'm not going in their house. I am washing my hands before I see Poppy, doing the best that I can do in this circumstance. That's the plan for today. I am going to have breakfast. I've decided I'm going to have scrambled egg on toast. It's a breakfast I've been loving lately. It's super easy and it's only the sins for the butter. So yeah, let's go and make that, and I will catch up with you later on. So this is the breakfast I've been loving. I use this tofu here. It's been hard to find it in the shops when I was last there, but luckily I already had two in the fridge, so just whatever tofu you can find. I used about half, maybe just under half, and I'm going to squeeze it out just a little tiny bit because I still want it to crumble, but I'm just going to get the excess liquid off. This is the season here. It's I'll link the website down below that I got the recipe from, but it's really good. There's nutritional yeast, onion powder, garlic powder, turmeric, the black salt that gives like a eggy taste to it. You put that in there as well, so it's really good, and it makes like enough for 3 or 4 portions. So I just kept it in that little tub, and then I'm going to have the scrambled tofu with a side of the Kingsmill crustless bread, which I'm going to put in the toaster in a little minute, and also use my Vitalite butter, which is 1.5 cents per tea. So here it is, my breakfast. It's literally lunchtime, but like I said, my routine is way off. But anyway, we've got 3 slices of the Kingsmill crustless, which is my healthy extra B, about 2 teaspoons of butter, which is 3 cents using this butter here, and then the tofu scramble, which is free. So a free breakfast apart from the 3 cents for the butter, and it really fills me up, and it's a good source of protein. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy that, and then I will catch up with you guys later. I got new glasses as well the other week, can't remember, oh god, the days and months are merged all together, I don't know what day I'm on, but I got new glasses and I noticed such a difference with them. I didn't realise my eyesight was just as bad, but yeah, so I'm gonna wear these on my walk, just might as well. And I think it looks quite cold today, so I'll need to wrap up, so I'm gonna get ready for my walk. Breakfast was lovely, 3 sin breakfast, not bad. Hi everyone, that is us back from our walk. It was really good. I've done 7,000 steps, I think. Sorry the background's a mess, I need to tidy up this room. 7,231 steps, so that's not bad because my steps have been really bad. Yesterday only did 1,000 and I didn't go out for exercise yesterday at all, so I'm glad I managed to do that today. Poppy has one of Ryan's socks, don't you? So I'm just going to get something to eat just now. It is nearly 5, but kind of had a late breakfast. I'm really embarrassed about this mess. This is all stuff that's going to charity or that I'm selling, but obviously can't do that at the moment, and then I've got washing to put away and stuff, so I'll be busy doing that this afternoon after I do some work. And Poppy had a good walk, didn't you? Poppy? Poppy? Did you have a good walk? Did you have a good walk? Yeah, I think I'm going to have mushroom fried rice with some broccoli, so a nice free dinner with some speed. So I'll show you when I've made it. So I have had my lunch slash dinner. I had the mushroom fried rice, which had obviously mushrooms and rice, onions, peppers, and I put sweet corn in it as well this time. I've made it quite a lot and it always lasts ages, I love it. And then a side of steamed cauliflower, broccoli, so that was free. Sorry for the strange angle, I'm just lying down with Poppy. We're both very tired. Ryan's went upstairs for a nap as well, but I couldn't leave Poppy down here because she would get lonely, so I'm lying here having a little nap. I think it's nearly, what time is it? About 6, so I'm gonna have like a late dinner because that was kind of meant to be my lunch, and I'm sure I'll get hungry later. I went to Morrison's just before the walk and it was mega crowded. The queue was like the whole length of the car park and then round a corner, but it moved quite fast. However, I did forget to get Diet Coke and I have that most days, every day, so I'll need to go back at some point. But I'm back out to work tomorrow. I am only working 12 till 5, but I'm looking forward to getting out of the house for a bit. So yeah, update is I'm going to have my little nap. I've got Slimming World tonight, I forgot to mention that to you. The first virtual group. I was going to do a separate video on that, so we'll see how that goes. I'm quite looking forward to it. I'll take Poppy home in about an hour, drop her off to my mum and dad, and then I'll get ready for the Slimming World meeting. So I ended up not napping. I just watched some YouTube videos for half an hour, but it's now 7 o'clock. I am having 2 bourbon creams, which are 3.5 cents each, which is quite a lot, but I'm a bit peckish and fancy them. So I'm going to have these and then take Poppy home, and it'll be time for my Slimming World meeting. So total cents for today is 10.5. No, 10 cents. So bad at remembering, that's why I need to write it down, but yeah. I am just trying to join up on my Slimming World's Zoom meeting, just putting in the password. I'm a bit nervous being on camera. I did a FaceTime kind of meeting with my work the other week and that was quite fun, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm just nervous. It says please wait.
Heard a sound, hold on. Somebody say hello to me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I can hear you now. So, what my kind of thoughts were for you guys tonight is to kind of treat this a wee bit like your first week back after Christmas kind of thing. You know how Gillian would never do image therapy on that night. She would probably normally do the new member talk for the full group and just kind of check in with everybody, see where everybody's at, see what support everybody's needing. Here's Mary, let me let her in. there we go. So it's more I kind of catch up, and I just want to kind of have a chat with everybody, see where you're at. If you are struggling with stuff, what are you struggling with? If you're doing fab, what hints and tips have you got for everybody? So yeah, it's just a kind of, let's get our heads back on if we were being flew by the seat of our pants for the last few weeks, and let's see where we're all at, yeah? What I've got the tablet in front of me, the same as I would have in group. And I've put everybody's weight changes into it already. Now there's some accountability again. You know that somebody's interested and somebody wants to know how you've got on. I think it's so important to not feel like you're doing this on your own. Good. Well, have yourselves a fabby week, guys. I will see you this time next week then, okay?
Thank you.
Bye. That was so good. It was so nice to catch up with everybody. I'm going to get my dinner now and I will show you what I'm making.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch.